Sarabi Dog. Sarabi Dog or Persian Mastiff. Well, let's take a look at ancient Iran with a civilization age of 7,500 years and the size of Iran during the Achaemenid period 550 years BC. At that time, Iraqi Kurdistan, Armenia, the South Caucasus, Afghanistan, and the Black Sea were all part of the Iranian Empire. Therefore, it can be said that pure Iranian dogs are scattered in other parts of the Middle East, and the mentioned dogs have many similarities with Iranian dogs in terms of DNA. And large dogs of the Middle East from the breed of purebred dogs of ancient Iran, Sarabi of Azerbaijan, and Pajdar of Kurdistan. In ancient Iran, the dog has a special place. The role of this animal can be seen on the walls of the ancient facades of Iran, and also a historical statue of the Sarabi or Pajdar dog with an age of more than 2,500 years is kept in the National Museum of Iran, which is the same Sarabi or Pajdar dog. Therefore, in ancient Iran, in parts of the Avesta, there are instructions regarding the condition of this animal, which are very worthy of consideration. And we can also mention the ancient custom of seeing dog in ancient Iran from the rituals of this animal. In ancient Iran, dogs were a part of the Iranian army and went to war alongside the Iranian soldiers. This animal is known as a war dog. Sarabi dogs are known for being zealous protectors and loyal, an alert and proud, fearless and aggressive dog that adapts to different weather conditions and is a good option for protecting the herd, home, property and family against external threats such as strangers. It is the attack of wild animals like wolves, bears, tigers, leopards, etc. The height of the Sarabi dog in males reaches 80 to 95 centimeters 32 to 38 inches, and in females it reaches 70 to 85 centimeters 28 to 34 inches. And the weight of males is 65 to 95 kilograms, 145 to 210 pounds, and the weight of females is 55 to 90 kilograms, 121 to 200 pounds. Other characteristics of the Sarabi dog include the thickness of its body skin and the looseness of the skin around its neck, because it makes it difficult for the teeth and claws of other animals to pass through its skin, and the loose skin on its neck prevents it from suffocating. A Sarabi dog alone can kill a wolf and can handle 2 wolves at the same time, and against 3 wolves, it can only defend itself and survive.